Hi, I've got a Mac 335 chainsaw here that I've been having some difficulties with since I got hold of this the other day. It would only start and prime if you tipped the chainsaw over onto its side, over onto the right hand side. You could then pump the bulb and it would prime. As soon as you stood it upright, the bulb would empty and it would drain of fuel. If you pumped the bulb whilst it was in this position, it would pump fuel up and you could see the fuel pumping down inside the actual carb entrance. This has got a Walbro WT391 carb on it. But just to show you, because I had some difficulty in finding the routing of the fuel lines for this, and just to let you know that this side, if you can see this here, goes to the fuel tank, so it goes down below the bottom of the carburettor and goes straight into the top of the fuel tank. And on this side, that pipe that you can see here is from the carburettor and goes to the suction side of the bulb. The idea being that the bulb doesn't push fuel through the carburettor, which is what it was doing. It's intended to pull fuel through the carburettor. So once you press this, it draws it up through from the tank through into the carburettor and out the other side of the carburettor into the bulb, and then it returns the fuel back to the tank again. So the other side of this bulb goes to the tank. If you're not sure whether it's connected properly, if you press the bulb and you see on that pipe, you see fuel going into the carburettor, it's the wrong way round. So literally just undo these two screws, swap the two pipes over, because chances are somebody at some point has changed that bulb, put the thing on round the wrong way, and then can't work out why it still won't start, because presumably they were fiddling with it because it wouldn't start. But then they've reassembled it incorrectly, as indeed happened with this one. So just thought I'd put it on there because I had some trouble finding stuff about this. Thank you for watching.